Penimuna ng President Bongbong Marcos inauguration ng Hyundai Shipyard King Subic. Ay ng balita.
Penimuna ng Presidente Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang inaugurasyon ng Hyundai Shipyard King Subic nganing September 2, 2025 may silbing marka king opisyal pa magpakilala ng HD Hyundai Heavy Industries king Pilipinas at balaw sa panyulong ng industriya ng shipbuilding king bansa. King kayang talumpati pepasyag ng presidenteng maragula papil dareng Pilipino king global maritime industry.
We are reviving the shipbuilding in the country to strengthen industries, promote livelihood, and build a better, stronger future for the Philippines. For decades, even centuries, the Philippines has given the world our finest seafarers. It is only fitting that we also supply the world with excellent vessels to sail on.
Didikdik na mo namang Marcos na halos 30% dareng seafarer king mabilo gayato Pilipino. Itipeg maragul ng Marcos ang timo papakit king kapasidad dareng Pilipino karas king makanining obra.
Today, we raise the sails once more. With Hyundai Heavy Industries investing in Subic, our shipyard capacity will significantly increase from 1.3 million to 2.5 million deadweight tons, from handling 4 to 5 massive oil tankers to about now 8 of those ships.
Agpangkang PBBM, ing pamamuklat ning Hyundai Shipyard, iya mo mamye kabiyayan o kapanentunan para kareng libo-libong Pilipino. Nune magsilbiyang simbolo ning panibayong chapter ning pamakipagsabayan ning Pilipinas king global industry. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.